Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of freezing on the application of Pinterest. We go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about the application of Pinterest. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.